See, once again, it's good news for Yanam. Almost 100 days we kept Yanam free from virus, and unluckily, two cases came. One is the Kankalpeta boy, already primary and secondary contacts. We taken sample and found that all are negative. So it was very relaxed news. Again, one lady Kursampeta also got positive. Actually, she got infection from prawn processing unit Talarev. That unit already closed. Some positive case found there. So these ladies, those are working there. We kept them quarantine. We taken their sample. From that, we found this one case is positive. But this is the good news that all primary contacts of these ladies, we taken yesterday 55 samples, relatives and other relatives and all other neighbors primary contacts, and we found that today report came and all are negative. So this is the very good news for Yanam. It's a great news, and we are happy that is our team did good work, and they kept proper quarantine and sent hospital. So she was there in 4 days critical time in hospital, so virus could not spread. So public support is very important. This type situations, they should not spread unnecessary rumors, because spreading rumors is ultimately is loss to everyone, because administration also getting disturbance and others public also getting panic. So please don't spread rumors, because after both case I found that so many WhatsApp groups, so many rumors that this boy played cricket and there again this lady did this that. No, it's 100% wrong, because spreading rumor is creating panic to all, as well as the getting admission also getting diversion, and we are getting disturbance also. So please don't do, otherwise I will file proper case, legal case I will file if this type of rumor is there. Without proof, without proper knowledge, please don't spread rumor. Again I am repeating, don't do these things. This is my last warning. Last time also I told don't spread rumor. Please cooperate with the administration. See, administration is working properly. Our health, police and other government staffs day and night working. You know, last 100 days result of the Yanam. See, we are doing hard work, and spreading rumor like this, defaming the administration is not acceptable. Next point, now East Godavari is a very critical situation. Everyday cases are increasing, so we took some decision. Even I yesterday requested our Honorable Health Minister also. We immediately want testing facility, because we are not getting result immediately from East Godavari. We have to wait some days, definitely, because they are having so many cases in pending. So within 10 or 15 days we will get testing facility here itself. It will be big advantage to us. Next point, regarding the teams, already I allocated the teams, divided Yanam in 16 zone, and every team 15 to 20 our government staff is there. They started working today onwards. I requested already, and now again I am requesting volunteers come forward in local area and support our team. You register as a volunteer to the team in charge. She is the senior teacher of the team, and every day she will visit the area. So you either ASHA, ANM, any one of the area, you go and register yourself as a volunteer. Then we will get help of the local volunteers. So it is my repeated request to the volunteers and public, social servants, social workers, please come forward and support us, because we are working for you and we are working for public only. So please, this is very important. Public cooperation is not there, then it will be loss to everyone, and it will be defeat against corona. So please, again I am requesting, come forward as a volunteers and support us. Next point, border checkpost. See, very much movement of the persons. Unnecessarily so many persons are going Andhra and coming, Yesterday we seen some youngsters are visited Andhra, they fighted there, then something happened. Like this is I am going to control the border check post, so you should be ready for that. You should cooperate with us, because if we will lose these things, then you have to be ready for virus. So we are going to control check post. Those are having necessary work, we will allow them. Definitely we will permit them properly and regularly going East Godavari and coming. For that our team is working in the field. You register. If you are going out, you tell them clearly, yes, I am going this purpose and I am going for this work. The team will submit the report tomorrow evening. Based on that we will decide how many persons are going and coming, then we will decide what arrangement we have to make. So my repeated request to public, cooperate with everyone, either border check post or our team members or our staff. Without your cooperation nothing is possible, and we are having another way also if you are not cooperating. DM Act is very strong, Epidemic Act 1897 is very strong. We will take action against individual if there are no cooperation. If they are misbehaving our persons, I will be ruthless. So please, I am requesting all public, all NMite, come forward and cooperate. This is good for everyone. So now you take that this is the good news for us. All primary contest of these ladies came as a negative. That boy also, all primary contest, secondary contest negative. So now onwards, next 3 months, July, August, September, 100 days is over, another 100 days. I want your cooperation. Don't be greedy, don't be careless, because this is good for everyone. Don't think corona will not affect me or he or himself or herself. No, it will affect everyone, including the administration, including the individual, children, old age persons. It you seen already in so many news what happened in the Chennai. One minister, DMK minister expired. Another area also so many big persons are getting infection. So don't think it will impact everyone. Please, now Andhra cases are increasing, East Godavari cases are increasing, so we are in critical zone. We are almost surrounded by the red zone, and our persons are regularly going there, so very high chance. So please cooperate with our officials and come forward as a volunteers. And now you can be relaxed, because persons primary contacts came negative, and tomorrow one more batch result will come. Definitely I hope they will be negative. Thank you.